Hey there, if your LG Smart TV with WebOS 25 keeps going into store mode like this, here's how to turn it off permanently. Grab your remote control and just press the settings button once. This will take it out of the store mode. Next, we want to press and hold that same settings button. This will take us to the main settings menu. From here, we can use the directional pad and we will go down to support. Next, go across and we go down again, keep going to home store mode. Across one, and here we have the two options. As you can see, store mode is selected, select home mode, and this will set your TV back to the behavior you expect. So I hope this has been useful. If it has, really appreciate if you can give it a thumbs up. It does help me out a lot. Thanks very much for watching. Check out my channel for more tips and tricks on LG TV and other tech. Take care. Bye.